Here we have the ProTerra hybrid electric heat pump water heater. This water heater is a heat pump on the top with a standard electric water heater underneath, hence the name hybrid. Has a UEF of up to 4.08, 5 operating modes, and saves about 75% on your electric, the water heating portion of your electric bill. Smart product, offered with optional leak detection and automatic shutoff in the case of a leak being detected. Sends service alerts to your phone and to your plumber in case anything ever goes wrong. These are the products that are being sort of focused on under the Inflation Reduction Act with the tax credits for homeowners to invest in energy efficient products. This is the IKONIC super high efficiency gas tankless water heater. This is a 199,000 BTU model. This has all of the top features that we offer. This is our most high featured model. Built-in recirc, built-in Wi-Fi, smart features, has a feature called hot start programming, which is a little different in the tankless world, where it stays in a ready state after you turn off the faucet to make it so that there's no cold water blasts when you turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. This is our RTGH series. This is also a high efficiency, super high efficiency water heater. The high UEF 0.92. This is replacing the RTGH-2 model that we transitioned last summer. And this is a great product for virtually all applications in the home. This is a condensing model. We also offer it in non-condensing. This is the Rheem Maximus super high efficiency gas water heater. So this is a traditional tank water heater with a 0.90 UEF. Energy Star, qualifies for Inflation Reduction Act, has a much higher UEF than a traditional atmospheric gas water heater, 55% higher, and it has a much stronger burner and very high recovery. So this water heater can sustain about 3 gallons per minute indefinitely. Not that we recommend you run hot water at 3 gallons a minute indefinitely, but it has a very high recovery, great for homes that have multiple bathrooms, have some of the more luxurious showers with multiple sprayers and steam, where you're going to be using more hot water and you're going to need to have a lot of hot water in a short period of time. This is our ProTerra plug-in heat pump water heater. This unit is designed as a heat pump designed for gas replacement. So you can remove your gas water heater and runs on a 120 volt plug-in. All it takes is a regular 120 volt plug in your utility room. This one has a feature called Hydro Boost, which is a built-in mixing valve, so you can keep the tank at a higher temperature to give yourself more hot water. This unit has no electric elements in it, hence the ability to run on the 120 volts.